Hey, hi. A warm welcome to you all. This is Anjana Arun here from Chennai, your friend, your philosopher, your guide. And here I'm with a beautiful news. Guess what? There's going to be a huge transformation in the next 4 days. Yes, you're right. We are going to have a mega event, we are going to be a part of a mega event, which is on April 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. It's World Transformation Day. And that day is going to be celebrated as a mega event where 200 plus coaches, trainers, mentors, and speakers from all over the world are going to come and deliver their knowledge, share the knowledge, the golden nuggets, which are going to help you, which are going to help me in transforming our life for a better tomorrow. This mega event, if you want to attend, and believe it is free. So if you want to attend this free mega event, which is on April 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and it's going to be on YouTube, you can register at www.amplefy.net. And believe me, this is going to be a real transformation. I'm also going to be one of the speakers over there. I'm going to share my knowledge on how to monetize your home baking business. You're going to see many speakers right from the age of 7. A 7-year-old boy is going to talk about us. Okay, he's going to share his nuggets. And there are people from different walks of life, different professions, okay, different languages, and people are going to really help you out in transforming your lives. So I once again welcome you all to this mega event. Do not forget to register on www.amplify.net. This is going to transform your life. It's going to transform my life. Once again, Anjana Arun, and I'm a home bakery coach. Thank you.